This presentation will showcase Breathe, the health data research hub for respiratory health. I am Chris Orton, Programme Manager for Breathe, based within Population Data Science at Swansea University Medical School, and I primarily coordinate the data workstream for Breathe. In context, Breathe is one of 7 digital innovation hubs funded through this Industrial Strategy Challenge Fund, driving medical innovation, creating growth in the UK's life sciences economy, and ensuring that NHS patients benefit from new treatments first. The hubs are primarily disease or data type specific centres of excellence with expertise, tools, knowledge, and ways of working to maximise the insights and innovations developed from health data. Breathe is a collaboration between patients and publics, academia, third sector, government organisations, and industry from across the UK and globally. We are a UK-wide hub led by the University of Edinburgh, Imperial College London, Swansea University, University of Leicester, Nottingham University Hospitals NHS Trust, and Queen Mary University of London. Breathe's mission is to improve the respiratory health data landscape. Our primary aims are to bring together useful datasets so they can be easily discovered from the outset, before providing expertise in curating and improving these datasets, create the highest quality data for efficient and robust research, and ultimately providing services to derive the use of health data in groundbreaking research and innovation. The infographic on the right-hand side shows how we aim to mobilise data and research by developing research questions and prioritising datasets to answer these, and providing a trusted research environment for such analysis to take place in partnership with Sale Data Bank at Swansea University, as well as supporting data held elsewhere in the UK and internationally. The Breathe data workstream is particularly working towards unlocking the potential in data across the UK and internationally for respiratory health research, supporting varied scientific use cases and data sharing methods. We are presenting services and solutions to data providers and researchers alike in order to suit all needs of those engaging with Breathe. Broadly, these consist of partnering and collaborating with Breathe in a number of ways to develop data sharing and science in this sphere. Services begin with listing and making discoverable datasets via the Health Data Research Innovation Gateway, a state-of-the-art data cataloging system. Should data be able to be widely shared, with the possibility of using a trusted research environment, Sale Data Bank is partnered with Breathe to provide a world-leading analytical and data management platform as a service. By using Sale and its scale, we can rapidly develop and onboard scientific projects and provide support for nationwide and bespoke data linkage between datasets and into routine healthcare in a robustly de-identified manner. We also look to support data that cannot be shared to Sale by developing potential federated analysis solutions and signposting to other platforms where data may be held. To date, and as you can imagine, our initial work has been primarily focused on COVID-19. However, we have strived to also ensure that other respiratory datasets and research are not forgotten. Whilst the majority of our 40+ projects underway using the Sale Data Bank and a few novel data collection studies occurring outside of Sale are COVID-19 specific, we have endeavoured to work with our data partners to list their datasets on the HDR Innovation Gateway, with our collection soon to have 90+ datasets that we can facilitate access to. Our partnerships team are constantly liaising with current and prospective partner organisations, whether from academia, third sector or industry, and are developing research opportunities across all of these audiences. We have aimed to ensure patient and public involvement in our work has been open and continually present, with our lay leads part of all our decision-making committees, attending our governance panels for data access, and involved in all of our network events, helping to shape our mission and our delivery. Diving down into how we have supported the COVID-19 pandemic response, our primary response was to mobilise the partnership between the Breathe and Sale Data Bank to provide a data sharing platform for the Zoe COVID-19 study app, which is a citizen science self-report app based on the symptoms and experiences of the UK public during the COVID-19 pandemic. The app allows users to report on their daily situation and how they are encountering symptoms, or indeed if COVID-19 tests have been undertaken, providing a unique source of data for measuring symptom hotspots and longitudinal information on the possible COVID-19 prevalence across the UK. To date, we have facilitated access to the NHS, government organisations, and academia working directly with such organisations across 40+ projects who help inform the pandemic response at local and national levels. We have also facilitated an initial linkage to the Welsh participants' health records using Sale Data Bank and NHS Wales Informatics Services' robust privacy-protecting linkage methods in order to follow the self-report data into possible COVID-related healthcare episodes. Breathe staff have also engaged in working and responding to government need to map symptoms across the country and provide information to these groups on a regular basis. Other initiatives in this space are Breathe's support and involvement on UK REACH, a study into the COVID-19 effect on healthcare workers with a particular look at the varying effect of ethnicity. EVE2 is a whole population study for Scotland, tracking the COVID-19 situation in Scotland as per health records from multiple settings. Elvis COVID-19 is a study into whether nasal washout and gargling with salt water can aid in managing COVID-19. And the Covidence study is a new cohort study in monitoring participants' lifestyles and interaction with COVID-19, therefore who is at most risk of contracting or having complications from the disease. What can Breathe offer you? Really, this is about how you as a researcher, a data provider, or an interested scientific collaborator could work with us. Given our position within the UK's respiratory health landscape, we are well positioned to provide expertise and services in accessing UK-wide and international data, including working with our themes and programmes who support diverse endeavours within respiratory health. Working with Breathe, we'll be very happy to help develop new ideas, products and data to accelerate global respiratory health. With a team of domain experts, we can offer potential acceleration of research and development, inform precision prognostics, diagnostics, treatment strategies, and behaviours to improve management of respiratory diseases and quality of life. Building for the future, we're aiming to provide an end-to-end platform where we shall widen and broaden access to data for respiratory science, collaborate with a vast array of diverse institutions and organisations, deliver bigger impact on public benefit in advancement of respiratory science, and provide education and training on both the technical data and clinical data side to train the next generation of respiratory scientists. To conclude, here is the team that make up Breathe in terms of leading our themes and cross-cutting programmes. As you can see, we have split ourselves into areas of expertise, with the main focuses being drug discovery and pharmacogenomics, real-world evidence, and digitally enabled trials. Running alongside through each of these are the constants of communication, engagement and involvement, partnerships and sustainability, and data, which underpin the work that individual projects being undertaken in each theme undertake. Many thanks for listening, and please do not hesitate to contact me or the Breathe team should you wish to engage with us or hear about any of the activities we are currently undertaking.